operating M27 progressive linker. Open your link tower using a single link round combination, align it into its appropriate place, making sure that the link is locked against the stop weight and the ram is pressed against the round. If you need to adjust the ram, loosen the 4 bolts and adjust the ram as needed. Close your link tower, load the rounds into the tray, and then load the links into the tower. They only go in one way, with the open end up. And then to complete, add your link power to the top of the tower. Depending on the links, if they're corroded or heavily parkerized or uneven, you may need to apply light pressure to the top of the follower to make sure that the links drop evenly. My links do not require that. However, I will apply some pressure to demonstrate the load. And you're ready to go. Turn the handle counterclockwise to start. And you're basically done. Make sure that the free belt hanging from the linker is no longer than 30 to 60 round free hanging. The belt can be any length you want, however you want to support it. The weight of the belt will apply pressure to the belt retainer, potentially causing your links to misalign as they're coming out of the tower. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.